पर्सन ऑन योर माइंड आपको लेकर के क्या सोच रहे हैं, लेट्स सी। ये आपका एक्स हो सकता है, प्रेजेंट हो सकता है, कोई हो सकता है। ओके, ये पर्सन अकेले अकेले बैठा हुआ है। द हर्मिट कार्ड सेज कि ये पर्सन काफ़ी ज़्यादा लोनली फील कर रहा है, बहुत सैड फील कर रहा है, ठीक है। ट्राइंग टू हील द हार्ट, हार्ट इज़ इन द रिवर्स, तो यहाँ पे हार्ट में दर्द हो रहा है इसको, ठीक है। ओ वाह, देखो हार्ट में दर्द हो रहा है, इसीलिए हील करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, एंड दिस इज इन रिवर्स, नहीं कर पा रहा है। दिल, 3 ऑफ स्वॉर्ड्स, क्राइंग। इज द पर्सन मिसिंग यू? इज द पर्सन ऑन योर माइंड मिसिंग यू? हाँ, justice is a yes card. Is the person, if the person is with somebody else, is he happy or is she happy? If the person is with someone else, is he or she happy? फिलहाल के लिए सी फॉर द फैमिली द पर्सन इज समवेयर ट्राइंग टू बी हैप्पी ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द फैमिलीज पर्सपेक्टिव, बिकॉज वी हैव द फैमिली कार्ड 10 ऑफ कप्स एंड वी हैव 6 ऑफ कप्स. There's a loyalty that is showing towards the family, and there is some attachment towards the family's energy. So yeah, for family I can see yes, the person is trying to be happy with the person for the family, ठीक है. Somewhere yes, we can say the person is he genuinely happy overall? Is your person genuinely happy? Not really, it's a yes and a no. And again a moon card which is for mother, and again we have no, again we have yes. So it's like a confusion energy. It's like yes no, maybe I'm happy. Yeah, I have to be happy for my mother. I have to be happy for the situation, like whatever it is in. Yeah, so it's somewhere like that. ट्राइंग टू कीप काम, सी द करेंट सिचुएशन ऑफ द पर्सन इज, वो शांत रहना चाहते हैं, वो बस और लड़ाई नहीं चाहते, तो बस खुद को शांति में रख रहे हैं. द पर्सन इज टेंड टू बी जस्ट काम, जस्ट काम. अभी देखते हैं कि आप लोगों की रीयूनियन होगा, क्या आप लोगों का रीयूनियन होगा. Queen of Swords with 10 of Pentacles shows that yes, but with a very delayed energy. It can also extend to few months or years instead of just few days. It won't be few days because of the Queen of Swords. It's a communication is involved. It could be a female energy of the family also will help in this situation. Your hard work will be coming to fruition. The Hierophant with the World card and the 7 of Wands says hard work will be fulfilled with the help of some guide. Your guide will help you get what you want, and you will be having periods of crying also, but you will be focusing on your wish fulfillment. With the Star card ये दिखाता है कि आपकी इच्छाएं पूरी हो जाएगी. 10 of Pentacles also shows the family card and the union. The person will be missing you quite a lot, but as we have Pentacles ये delay हो सकता है, months के जगह years में भी जा सकता है, so it will take time. You have to have the patience. Knight of Wands shows the person will be coming towards you and there will be a new beginning with you. So before that you will meet with a lot of options in your life, but you will not like to be with any of them and you will just reject all of them. You will feel very lonely and very sad. You will focus more on your money and on your career. You will focus so much on the money thing that you will forget about relationship for a point of time. You will just become an extremely spiritual person, extremely passionate, powerful, and you will forget about the relationship thing. You will not want relationships. You will be filled with a lot of work energy. You will be in that energy कि मुझे सिर्फ और सिर्फ विन करना है, मुझे लाइफ में कुछ ग्रो करना है, मुझे एक एम्परर या एम्प्रेस बनना है. बाहर में गया शादी वादी, बाहर में गया रिलेशनशिप, आई डोंट वांट देम, एंड यू विल जस्ट want to become successful and you will become a money oriented person. And when you become completely filled with a lot of money energy, the person will suddenly come, because we have the Lovers card after that, will be coming to running towards you. This is the story overall. I think I have given a complete detail of what is going to happen in your life. So this is it. And अगर आप लोगों को ये रेजोनेट करते हुए दिखा है तो ज़रूर से आप कमेंट कर सकते हो, मुझसे पर्सनल रीडिंग के लिए कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू वांट टू लर्न टैरोट you can connect with me. This is how you give detailed story of a person's life. This is called a storytelling in tarot. So if you want to learn it, you can connect with me for the same. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Radhe Radhe, Jai Shri Ram.